You've given up.
Hang on. How will that work? Okay, there's no going back now. That's the tap!
Sorry. Yeah. Good morning. Welcome back. This episode I have been putting off for a while. This is the day that we fit the sink.
Oh, the lyrics. I like the song. Did a job when it was right. Is it alright?
Let's go. Coffee first, and then sink.
I'm excited! I'm so excited. We're gonna do this together and we're gonna do it. How amazing! Yay! Plan is we're driving to IKEA now, then we are gonna go get ourselves some hot dogs before we start anything, because hungriness is upon us from this one and from me. We're back at IKEA. Hello. I thought I would explain a little bit of what we're doing today. As we're showing you footage, you kind of get an idea of what we're planning. So this is our tester sink. We tested out whether we wanted it black, and we've decided to not go with black. We've decided that we're going to go for a wood stain, and this is also going to be the bowl that we drill a hole in to make sure that everything will work. This is the actual sink. As you can see, I've started to wood stain it already. We have a couple components going on here. So we have bought ourselves a tap, a beautiful black tap. We will have two tanks, two of these. One is going to be our clean water tank, and the other is going to be our grey water tank. These are both 20-litre tanks. Right, we have this thing that is basically going to be the main tube to connect our grey water tank to our... We have a drain. So this will go inside here, which will attach to this. Many components of these things, which will then to the tank. That's how dirtied water will go down our sink. How will clean water get up? This is the main component. So we already have a motor in our van. The motor will be attached to this, which will be in the tap. Hang on, how will that work? So one of these bits will be attached to the motor. No. Okay. This bit I'm a little bit unsure about. So essentially this will be connected to the tap that will suck in the water from the motor, from the tank, in order to work into the tap. I am a little bit unclear about how this will work. This whole thing that we created here, so these are actually 3 different components. It's this component, which is kind of like a, then we have to kind of do like an adapter, and then this one to go like that, so this one will connect to the motor. I'm obviously project manager and design manager. Liam is going to tell me what he needs from me, and I will manage those things. But I also need to finish up the sink. This is our wood stain. I explained to the camera a little bit about the thingy, but I couldn't really articulate how it goes to the motor, to the tap very well. I tried my bestest.
That's all right. I don't even know. Ooh.
So now we're doing like a trial run to see if the tap will leak water.
Right, can you come here and hold that? No.
Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, hold on, there's a leak. Hold on. Yeah, stop. Stop.
Where's the leak?
Yeah, water's pouring out.
go to cold water and do it.
Oh yeah, just cold here. Yeah,
Yeah.
so it just has to be cold.
Yeah.
Fine. So we've got a solution. Okay, fantastic.
Okay.
So at least we know it works, the mechanism.
Yep.
It's
and
just
there's no leakage.
No, not that I can see from here, not at all. That was from earlier.
Okay.
So we've got a running tap! Woo!
First step done.
Yeah. Now the plan is to make a hole in the table in order to fit the tap in. Right, we're using our trial ball to find the position. So this is my thinking. This here, where would be the best position for you? Back. Why?
Yeah, because
Can't open the tap.
If you look here.
No, that's what I'm literally going here.
No, but for the bowl as well. Because remember the bowl's got to have a hole.
Frick. I forgot about that. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I see what you mean. What about if we do it there?
Put
No.
the bowl there, put that there. What
No.
about have it sideways? You can have it like that, can't you? Or say like that.
I mean, I personally would like it more like this.
That would work, that's fine. Do you want to get a
so.
pencil and draw around
Where's the
this?
pencil, Papa?
What do you think?
I think that's good.
So I'm going to drill.
Drill a hole in our table.
No going back from here.
No. Oh, got it. We have gone through.
Just don't think that's even close to big enough.
Yeah, but like at least you have it all the way through. You think you need to go bigger? Yeah. Okay, there is a hole in our table. There is no going back now. What do
Yeah.
we think?
I think that looks good.
Yeah, I think that looks sick. Now we need to just make sure that the tap is going to be a tap. Show you what I've been up to. I told you guys that I was wood staining the bowl. Actually only done one layer of this one, and I've just been wiping it off with a little bit of like kitchen roll to get it slightly lighter, and as well now I'm just rubbing it with a little bit of water, just because I was thinking as I was working on it, I kind of like the vibe of the bowl being a bit darker in the center and the edges, and then on the sides being a bit lighter. I don't know if you can see there's a slight imperfection where I put the brush a little bit too heavy. I'm just trying to slightly wipe it. I mean, like the good thing is the wood, so it kind of like, it's meant to have this kind of like, I don't know, different shades, kind of rusticy vibes.
See you when the day is done. I wanna rest and lay in your side.
So we're still drilling. We don't think we got the right size, so we're just like having to kind of shave off bits.
She's taken over. Still doesn't quite fit.
Yep, got it.
Perfect.
Got it. Yep. Yeah, I can't go anymore. Push it. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Hold on a sec, actually. We haven't read the instructions, have we? Hey.
What?
So there's a washer. This one needs to go on there. So if we take these out,
Sake, Liam.
that's why you don't rush this, do you? Silly Liam. That should.
Yeah.
This goes in there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's coming out. I think we need to get a top up of water.
But we've got a working tap.
Well, I don't know.
I think we have a working tap, we just don't have any water to check that it's working. Because why would you? That would be smart.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh! There was water. Oh, yeah! That's the tap!
Yeah, there's no more water in here.
Oh, that's why it's trickling, but... Right, now we need to just fit in a bowl that like will deposit it.
Right. Cool, we got a tap.
Come on. Are you happy?
We got a tap. So now, the sink bit. Right.
No.
We've given up. No, we haven't. Well, we can't drill. So
We've run out of battery.
ran out of battery, and it's going to take a while, and it's getting late, and we've got to be somewhere tonight, so we're going to call it a day here.
Look, it looks pretty. I'm not sure about the wood stain, guys. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I think it looks way too orangey in comparison to the other stuff. I don't know if it's overthinking it, but I just don't know about it.
Well, we'll see you for the next day of finishing the bowl. That's a lovely angle. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm excited. I think this is going to look awesome when it's done. We've got a sink in.
We got a sink in.
I think that's absolutely awesome.
Yeah. It is 10 a.m. on a Friday, and we are wood staining. I don't know anything about wood stains. I think it's looking, it's looking like really dark right now, but obviously once we take this off, it will be better. So we're gonna leave it another 3 minutes, and then we'll see how it is. We'll see how it is.
I think I've got the right measurement for the hole, and if we can see, it holds our sink nicely. We're not going to put in the sink today just because we don't have enough time. The thing I think I can do today is maybe drill a hole in the table. Time to drill. That's our hole. So now we just need to put a sink in, and we think we have a bowl all ready to go, don't we?
California in my mind, there is no one of your kind. I long to see you when the day is done, though my journey has just begun.
Do you know what? I love that wood colour. I love it.
Right, start cleaning. Let's go.
I don't know if I actually explained. We bought these boxes yesterday. That's funky. I like that.
Right, that's going to be it from us today. Tomorrow, crack on with the sink. Let's go. And we're back.
Nice. That's smooth. We think we moved it a little bit too quickly.
I don't know what secure is meant to feel like. This ain't easy work.
Good. That's fucking good.
Now,
Don't think that's a...
just don't know what to do. I am getting zero leakage.
Yeah.
Guys, I cannot tell you how much we needed this week. Success, hey?